Oh my gosh. Hey, it's tyresethemua, and this is part 1 of my new series inspired by Inside Out. Today, I'll be transforming from my normal self into joy. If you want to see how I filled in my brows, you can check out that tutorial by clicking the link in my bio. I'll be starting off this look by using my P. Louise base and blending it all over my eyelid with a damp beauty sponge. For this look, I'll be using my James Charles palette and the Morphe 35i Icy Fantasy palette. And I'll be using different colors from both palettes, but I'll show you on the screen so you can keep along. First, I'll be going in with shade number 1, a lime green shade in my inner corner. Then I'll be blending above that with shade number 1 from the Icy palette. Make sure you go in and blend all the colors together for a nice seamless blend. Then I'm going in with shade number 2, a dark green shade, and blending that out with shade number 1. For my outer corner, I'll be packing on shade number 3, a dark blue shade, and blending shade number 4, a lighter blue shade above that. Then, under my brow bone, I'll be blending out shade number 2, a pastel blue shade. I cut my crease using a tiny bit of the same base that I used on my eyelids. Then I packed shade number 3, a green shimmer shade, and shade number 5, a blue shimmer shade on top. And that is the completed eyeshadow look. Now I'll be focusing on my under eye. First, I used a green eyeliner, then I packed on this chunky green glitter. Before foundation, I wiped off all excess glitter and eyeshadow that had fallen onto my face with a makeup wipe. For foundation, I used my Juvia's Place foundation in the shade 310. Then I will be concealing my under eye, nose bridge, forehead, and chin with the I Am Magic concealer in the shade J10 and blending it with a damp beauty sponge. Then I contoured my cheeks, the sides of my nose, under my lip, and my forehead with the Juvia's Place I Am Magic concealer in the shade J3. I set all the places I put concealer with my Juvia's Place setting powder, and I set my contour with the darkest shade of this True Complexion contour palette. I should have used the middle shade because it was a little on the dark side, but that's okay. We're just going to blend it together with the powder. I gave my face a quick spray, and now I'm moving on to highlight. I'm going in with this green shimmer shade highlight, and I wasn't expecting it to be that green, but we're just going to roll with it because it matches the look. I placed the highlight on my cheekbones, nose, above my lip, and under my brow bone, and I blended it out with my finger. And then I added a wing liner and top and bottom lashes. Lastly, I lined my lips with a dark brown eyebrow pencil. Then I popped on a pink butter gloss. And that's the end of this look. I hope you all enjoyed part 1 of my Inside Out series of me turning into Joy. Comment below who you want me to turn into next. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!